Hi, we're group number 6 from CEE 2090/3000, and this is our project proposal. My name is Bailey Chambliss.
I'm Maddie Schaller.
Elizabeth Adams.
I'm Stan Aguilar.
And I'm Daniela Quiroz.
The line is a project planned to be an 105-mile city located in Saudi Arabia's northwestern desert. First announced in 2017, it was envisioned as a revolutionary urban project unlike anything seen before. Designed to be completely car-free and road-free, the line will rely on advanced transportation system, including an end-to-end high-speed rail. The city itself is planned to be enclosed between two parallel skyscrapers, each of around 1,600 feet tall, creating a narrow living space for around 9 million people. Within the structure, planners have been thinking of including walkways, green spaces, artificial rivers, and interconnected towers that will allow to support daily life while also maintaining a zero carbon footprint. The mega project is one of the central pillars of Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia's ambitious plans to diversify its economy beyond oil. By building the line, the government aims to open new opportunities in industries such as renewable energy, technology, and tourism, and also create thousands and millions of new jobs for its younger generations. We chose a line because it represents something truly unique. The project pushes the boundaries of architecture, engineering, and urban planning. And if it's successful, it could completely change the way in which cities are created and designed. Its strong focus on sustainability and zero carbon emissions ties directly into the global challenges we see in this course. So by analyzing the line, we can explore both the opportunities and the obstacles of creating cities with projects such as this that are technologically advanced and also environmentally friendly.
So why is the line sustainable? First, in the line's planning and development phase, they put a hard focus on the residents' health and well-being, meaning that they will have a high standard of living. The line is also very environmentally focused, having a majority of its land preserved for nature. It will also have a massive renewable energy generator, making it a low-carbon energy system. Moreover, due to the line's vertical component, the city will have a reduced industrial footprint, lowering its risk for urban sprawl. Lastly, the line will attract many visitors. This combined with its commercial use in the city, the line will continue to stimulate the economy.
Our second choice is the New Orleans Flood Management System, which is 350 miles of floodgates and levees, and was built in response to events like Hurricane Katrina, where about 80% of the city was flooded. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers requested action post-catastrophe, and the goal of this was to provide physical protection and reduce the heavy need for evacuation. This project entirely cost over $14 billion, and it claims to provide 100 years of protection from flooding and other hurricane-related disasters. We chose it because it's a fully integrated system, as well as it directly affects New Orleans and how it survives and thrives post-storms. So our question is, could it do the same in different locations, depending on the conditions of that city?
This system can be considered sustainable because it integrates wetlands into the levee system, providing habitats and improving environmental quality and serving as an ecological buffer. It also has a stormwater filtration system as well as some water retention systems. Another facet of sustainability is sustainability over time, and this project is facing some threat in that category. It needs funding to continue to stay up to its high standards, but has lost funding due to political issues. Looking into the future, this system is looking to expand by implementing projects such as permeable pavement, rainwater capture, etc., in order to, quote, live with water rather than fight it.
Our third option is the Texas seawall. This is a proposed $31 billion coastal barrier that will protect the Houston-Galveston region from hurricane storm surge. It was proposed after Hurricane Ike made landfall in 2008 and caused over $30 billion in damages, as well as loss of life and considerable damage to the natural environment. We chose this topic because we're all interested in resilient infrastructure, especially disaster management systems. The Texas seawall is a sustainable system because it acts as a preventative measure. It's estimated that a Katrina-like storm would cause aggregate losses to the Texas economy of $73 billion in gross product, $61.3 billion in income, and over 800,000 in job losses. Fortunately, the Ike Dike will be able to withstand a 10,000-year storm. Furthermore, the Dutch experience shows that the introduction of surge gates have allowed the bay systems to stay healthy, and coastal spines actually have the smallest possible footprint for comprehensive protection and will minimize the environmental impact of this barrier. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video.